What's up, guys? This is Vicky from Vicky Boosted. So I've done a few things that I haven't recorded yet. What I've done now after the weekend, I've sent the car to go get the dyno, to the dyno. It made 198 horsepower on minimum boost. If I'm speaking about minimum boost, I'm speaking about literally that this boost controller is completely closed, can't move anymore. So it went on minimum boost and made 198 horsepower. I'm quite happy, excited about that. The only problem that we've received is that the power feed, the fuel feed from the tank to the engine is not enough, so it's leaning out. And then another problem that we've experienced was the radiator as well as leaking water. So I would like to replace the radiator with a 5-core aluminium radiator, and then with this fans, and then that problem should be solved. And then with the fuel system, I would like to run the fuel surge tank with two 380 liter pumps per hour. The reason for that is I want to keep one pump for if I'm running daily normally, and then as soon as the boost kicks in, I will let the second pump run as well, so that I'll be sure that I won't have fuel feeding problems again. And then another thing that we have done is that we are busy removing the paint. This side is almost done. It's only here, still a small piece to do left. And then wait, let me turn on the light. Only this small piece that's left, and then still have to do the top, the back. Then we still have to do the bonnet as well, and then this complete side. Yeah, that's what we're gonna do now for tonight. We're gonna try to finish up that side, to finish it up, and then once we are done there, I'll be taking off this fenders so we can also do the insides. And then from here, I've got a video of the dyno. I'll also post it so you can check it out. And then also before, what the car sounded before the dyno, it was very rich and the timing was out, so you can also see that. And then yeah, I still have a lot of plans, a lot of things to do, but let me do this side, and then we will continue from there, see where we are going onwards from there. So yeah, I haven't done much, as to that it got quite dark fast, but I have managed to do some of the removing of the paint. This piece now is completely finished, and then now it's only this piece left of the door, and then yeah, the rest of the car. But yeah, so what I'm gonna do now, talk about now, just for 5 minutes or so, just to inform you what's my plans with the car, what I would like to do. What I would like, I'm starting now from the outside. So I would like to paint the whole car red, like a bright red, and then also go for deep dish rims. It comes out quite far with the extended fenders. That's now painted the same color as the car, and then yeah, from here I want to go to the back. I want to do the complete fuel system at the back with the fuel surge tank and the fuel cell and the complete fuel setup. I want to do it here at the back, and then the inside, as you can see, it needs a lot of attention. Let me show you this. Just excuse it, it's dirty, quite dirty. So what I would like to do, the seats, I want to take it so they can recover it with leather completely. The whole interior, even this, everything, I want to take it, and the dash, I want to take it so they can recover it with leather. This hole that was made here because of the gearbox that was being moved forward, and because of the gearbox it's quite short. It's a D4D gearbox. So what I want to put in here is a switch panel so you can manage now all your equipment that you want to run. And then also what I want to do here, all of these gauges, I want to remove each and every one of them and then replace them with modern gauges. All the gauges are going to be the same, but just modern. This one I'm going to remove it and put a boost gauge, and then the voltmeter, I'm going to put a modern voltmeter, and then this one, I don't need oil temperature. I don't think it's that important, but I'll definitely put oil pressure, and then fuel level, and the water temperature. And I would also just like to put a fuel pressure gauge as well, as I do think that's important as well, and then the tachometer, and then as well the ref gauge. And yeah, everything works. Does look quite good. We just start the vehicle. Switch off this light. So if you look closely, you can't see it on the camera, but it does work. This one doesn't seem to work. Fuel level. Oh, and then these two also don't work. The water temperature, and then these other two, the tachometer and the ref counter. But to monitor the water temperature just for now, I do have this gauge just to monitor it for when I'm driving. So yeah, as you can see, there's still a few things left to do. It's gonna take me a while to do it, but yeah, I do believe that it's gonna be achievable. It's gonna take a while, but as long as I just continue to build on it, I'm quite excited about the car. Like I said, I've got so many plans for it, so many things I want to do. And then yeah, hopefully, I hope you guys are gonna support me. Gonna watch my build. I would like for you guys to watch my build, so you can follow me and see what it takes to build a car, what the costs are to build a car, and just how to do things. So yeah, but yeah, thank you guys. So probably if you've watched this, obviously you've watched my channel, I appreciate it. Please please subscribe to my channel so that you can see more what's happening in the future. And then yeah, who says, maybe not long from now we're gonna look back and see where we started. So thanks guys, I appreciate it. Cheers.